WelderBot is the new automated welding solution of Canonical Robots with the latest collaborative robot state-of-the-art technology. It helps factories and small workshops around the world to automatize welding tasks, making it easy to change from one pattern to another. WelderBot is made up by three main components: a collaborative robot, welding equipment, and a user-friendly software that makes them work together. WelderBot can also be adapted to work with your welding equipment. The graphic user interface of WelderBot enables the operator to use it without programming skills. You can navigate through each menu and select among the available functions and parameters. Once the design of one piece is complete, you can archive it in WelderBot's memory, and it will be available for its use in the future with only one click. WelderBot is the perfect tool for those enterprises whose production requires them to perform frequent changes on the design of the pieces. They produce short runs, or they do not want to incur in the high expenses that industrial robots welding involve. Start smart welding. Start WelderBot.